Operating system. It manages the computer's memory and controls and all hardware and the software of a computer system. There are two types of operating system, GUI and CUI. GUI. It stands for Graphical User Interface. It is very simple to use because it provides various menus and icons for the user to work upon it. CUI. It stands for Character User Interface. It is a commands-based system only. The user can operate the system with the help of various commands. Windows 10. Windows 10 operating system is made by one of the world's topmost software development company called Microsoft. Windows 10 makes sure that your computer system is working smoothly without any problems. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system from Microsoft. It has several features. Windows 10 has a graphical user interface, GUI, that means you do not have to remember all the commands. As it is a GUI, most of the work is done by the click of a mouse. It allows you to run several programs at the same time. It is very easy to learn and understand. Starting Windows 10. When you switch on the computer, the operating system stored in your computer starts loading itself into its main memory. After a few seconds, a welcome screen appears with the time and date. You can click anywhere on the screen to go to the user account screen. Once you choose the user and enter a password, if any, Windows 10 Desktop appears. Desktop. Desktop is the first screen that appears from where you can start working. On the desktop, there are small pictures which represent different programs. These are called icons. Components of desktop. You already know about the desktop. Let us read about each component in detail. Desktop background, taskbar, icons. Desktop background wallpaper. The image in the background of the icons is called desktop background or wallpaper. Icons. Small graphical representation of various files, /folders, programs or applications are known as icons. These icons help to quickly open the files, /folders or programs by double-clicking on them. Taskbar. A long bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. It helps to manage various currently active programs opened in different windows. We can switch between these programs by clicking their buttons on the taskbar. It also has the Start button, a clock icon, and Show Desktop button. Start button, Open Programs, Clock. Start button. It is known as the gateway to Windows and its programs. It opens the Start menu when we click on it. Opened Programs. Opened programs are those which are currently running. These are located as buttons on the taskbar. Taskbar also contains the shortcuts to open various programs. Clock. On the right side of the taskbar, current date and time is displayed when the mouse pointer is placed on it. Even if the computer is switched off, your computer keeps the date and time updated automatically with the help of a small battery inside. Sorting desktop icons. Sorting the icons means arranging the icons on the desktop. To sort the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on any blank area of the desktop. From the shortcut menu or pop-up menu that appears, click on Sort By option. Step 2. Click from the choices to arrange the icons in that order. Hiding desktop icons. You can hide all the icons on the desktop. To hide the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click at any blank area of the desktop. Click on the View option from the pop-up menu. Step 2. From the sub-menu, click on the Show Desktop icons to uncheck it. All the icons on the desktop become invisible. You can bring back the desktop icons by clicking the Show Desktop Icons option again in the pop-up menu. Changing desktop background. You can change the desktop background according to your choice. To change, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. Click Personalize from the pop-up menu. Step 2. A settings dialog box appears. Click on Background in the left pane. Step 3. Click on arrow located below the background option in the right pane. Select Picture option from the drop-down list. Step 4. Select any picture from the display. After selecting a picture, the background will change automatically. You can also use the saved picture or photograph from your computer to put as the background of desktop by selecting option Browse. Setting the screensaver. When the computer remains switched on for a specified time without any use, a moving pattern or animation appears on the screen. This pattern or animation is called screensaver. If you move the mouse or press any key on the keyboard, it will get you back to the screen. Follow these steps to set the screensaver. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. Click on Personalize from the pop-up menu. Step 2. Click on Lock Screen in the left pane. Step 3. Select Screensaver Settings link in the right pane. The Screensaver dialog box appears. Step 4. Click on the down arrow of Screensaver. Step 5. Click on the screensaver you want to use. Step 6. Click on the Wait up and down arrow buttons to specify the number of minutes of idle time after which the screensaver should appear. Step 7. Click on Apply and OK button. The screensaver appears after your computer is idle for the number of minutes you specified in Step 6. Mouse pointer shapes. The shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions we perform. Some of the shapes of the pointer are busy. It means that the computer is busy and wants you to wait. Normal. It is used for pointing, selecting, and dragging the items on the screen. Double-headed arrow. It is used for resizing the window or pictures. Four-headed arrow. It is used for moving pictures. I-beam. It is used for inserting text in a document. Working in background. It means that computer is processing while you are working. How to start and shut down a computer. Before starting work on the computer, you should start your computer properly. To start a computer, follow these steps. Step 1. Switch on the main power supply switch. Step 2. Switch on the UPS button. If the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. Step 3. Switch on the power button of the CPU. Step 4. Switch on the monitor button and wait for the computer to start. How to shut down a computer. When you have finished working on the computer, you should shut it down properly. Follow these steps to shut down the computer. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on Power button. Step 3. Select Shut Down option. Step 4. Switch off the monitor switch. Step 5. Switch off the UPS button. Step 6. Turn off the main power supply switch.